Hello everyone, this is Tanushree Pooja M of First BSc Computer Science from KCS Kasinada College. I am here to present the topic Addressing Modes of 8085 Microprocessor. Addressing modes of 8085. To perform any operation, we have to give the corresponding instruction to the microprocessor. In the instruction which we give, the programmer has to be very specific about three things. 1. The operation that has to be performed. 2. The address of source of data. And 3. The address of destination of result. So what is addressing mode? The method by which the address of source of data or the address of destination of result is given in the instruction is called as addressing modes. The term addressing mode refers to the way in which the operand of the instruction is specified. In 8085 microprocessor, there are 5 addressing modes. They are direct addressing mode, register addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, and implicit addressing mode. Direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, the data to be operated is available inside a memory location, and that memory location is directly specified as an operand. That is, the operand is directly available in the instruction itself. In this mode, the address of the operand is given in the instruction itself. Example, LDA 2500H, load the contents of memory location 2500H in accumulator. Here, LDA is the operation, 2500H is the address of source, accumulator is the destination. Register addressing mode. In register addressing mode, the data to be operated is available inside the register and the register is operands. Therefore, the operation is performed with various registers of the microprocessors. In this mode, the operand is in general purpose register. Example, MOV A, B, that is, move the contents of register B to A. Here, move is the operation, B is the source of data, and A is the destination. Register indirect addressing mode. Register indirect addressing means that the location of an operand is held in a register. It is also called indexed addressing or base addressing. Register indirect addressing mode requires the 3 read operations to access an operand. In this mode, the address of operand is specified by a registered pair. Example, move A, B, move data from memory location specified by HL pair to accumulator. Here, move is the operation, M is the memory location specified by HL registered pair, and A is the destination. Immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing is not really an addressing mode into memory. Rather, it is an instruction format that directly includes the data to be acted on as part of the instruction. This form of operand access simplifies the instruction execution cycle since no additional features are required. In this mode, the operand is specified within the instruction itself. Example, MVI A05H, move 05H in accumulator. Here, MVI is the operation, 05H is the immediate data source, A is the destination. Implicit addressing mode. In implicit or implied addressing mode, the operand is hidden and the data to be operated is available in the instruction itself. If address of source of data as well as address of destination of the result is fixed, then there is no need to give any operand along with the instruction. Example, CMA, complement accumulator. Here, CMA is the operation, A is the source, and A is also the destination. So we have come to the end of the PPT. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to present the addressing modes. Thank you.